We've got the stairs coming up here soon. This is it. This is part of it. It gets crazier up ahead. This I rode. Up ahead is where it gets really nuts. And I walked it. It's kind of cool though. It's a different angle on the video. So you can see how steep this crazy thing is. This is the stairs. We're gonna go up the stairs, which I decided to walk my bike down yesterday. Huh? Yeah, no kidding, huh? See, and you've got no option on the bike. You have to hit this stuff. Pretty intense, huh? And the bike flies down this. You can't hit the brakes. There you go. Come on through. Oh, nice dismount. That's what I did yesterday. In fact, most of my line was get off and walk it because it was really slippery yesterday.
Definitely.
Yeah. You okay?
Yeah.
Good recovery. That was a very elegant fall.
Thank you.
Yeah. There's a collapsed bridge. That's the way to go unless you want to get your feet wet. Oh, don't get your foot stuck in there.
Boom, easy.
I'm right behind you. Nice job. Obstacle. Huh? It's like air conditioning for your feet. You're gonna get very wet coming up anyway, so it doesn't matter. Pretty awesome, huh?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Oh, look, there's people fly fishing. All right, let's follow it. Go, you first. Lead on. You're the brave one. You're the guinea pig. I mean, you're the leader. Wimpy, wimpy. You ready? Whoa! It's slippery. It's real slippery. Really, really slippery. All right, come across very slowly. Stay to this side. Nicely done.
That was kind of refreshing for my feet.
And you're back there. Good. Nice job. Yeah, come this way. Down here, you can get right down to the base. Huh? You can feel the wind coming out from the water moving, huh? Dude, do you ever think you'd be climbing a waterfall?
No, not like this.
Don't walk in the water. That's gonna be super slippery. Get out of the water. I'm telling you not to walk in the water and you're staying in the water. That's ice. Nice and easy. Use the baby step. All right, right there. You could have stepped there. All right, you got it. That works. It's like ice. Wipe off your feet. I don't think we can get to it this way. You have to have gone through on the other side or just cross there. We're gonna have to cross it where they're crossing on, right? No. Are you gonna get up there, mountain climber Josh?
I don't know.
Go, just like that. No, just like you were doing it. Put your foot there. Put your foot there. It'll stick. It'll stick. Put your right foot there. Lean against the rocks. Push up. Pull up the other foot. Go. You had it. Go. You got it. You got it. Go. Go. Yeah.
I don't do this stuff every day.
Well, this is turning out to be a much longer hike than we had previously thought. We're at 6.6 miles, but well worth it, right, Josh? That's pretty spectacular. And of course, now we get to cross the little river again, which is Josh's favorite highlight, right? But first, a lot of Corn Mill Shoals, and we gotta go down all the rocks. Steep. This is very steep. Everything is steep here. Take the Highline. Nice. I hear your river. Nice job. Mine are perfectly dry. All right, buddy, 8.7 miles. Not too shabby, huh? Pretty cool hike. Shame Mom couldn't have joined us. Oh well. Mom wouldn't have crossed the stream, right?
Yep.
Oh well. That was awesome. That was a cool hike. I especially like climbing up the waterfalls. That was something that I did not even expect to do. The river. Nice. Felt good. Would have loved to have sat in that thing. Alright, we can hear the cars. We're just a block or two away. That's it. Alright, DuPont, it's a wrap.